Safety training seminars in Petaluma. Our address is 921 Transport Way. There's plenty of parking around the facility, and also there's street parking outside. Once you park, make your way to the front of the building. Come through the double glass doors. Once inside, you'll make a right. Go down the hall. Follow the signs for Suite 30. Make a right. Safety training seminars is all the way at the end of the hall. Again, we're in Suite 30. Enter the code that was provided to you on the keypad here. Come inside. You can choose any station to log in and begin your RQI skill test.